Today we are seeing if Gemini can create a pinball game in 3D in a single prompt. So this should take about a minute or so to think and run, maybe slightly more. I want it to be visually cool, visually glowy. Obviously the graphical elements won't be so dynamic, but it should hopefully maybe give me a nice glow around the ball. Let's see if we can get some paddles flipping backwards and forwards, whether it has all those little bumpers, has a score in it, etc, etc. Sound effects would be also a bonus. We're testing to see how much it will do in a single prompt, if it even works at all. Okay, that took 80 seconds and it has given us a blank screen. So, did not work. One error running the code. If we push fix, let's see if it can debug itself. Noir, black, like looking into the soul of a cat. There is nothing there. Okay, now it has seemed to have worked. Just a single push that button to say fix. So we didn't have to prompt it again, and it has given us something of a game. Insert coin, I like that. Ready. It is giving that play feel of it being an arcade. So that's kind of cool. Let's see if the game works. Insert coin. Systems online. Launching ball. Left arrow. Left flipper. Right arrow. Right flipper. Or A and D. Okay, so we have some flippers working. We can spin it around like so. It is kind of glowy, which is what we asked for. It's got some obstacles. And if we do space, we do not have a ball. Space again? No. So, there is no ball being launched. Ergo, it could not create pinball in a single prompt. And it is 3D though. So I'll give it that. It has a glowy neon feel, which is very cool. The actual pinball machine was very limited in design, very square, not very imaginative, but almost had a working game. Now, this would just hit the ball off this side, come back in here. If it was, you'd want this over at the side so it would launch up and around. I don't think it's ever really played pinball, obviously, because it's an AI. I will give it one prompt to see if we can get a ball working in here. We've got a ball counter, a score counter, so there is some benefits to it, but... Oh, is that the ball there? In the center behind this text? That could be. Though... that doesn't seem particularly beneficial, having it there and not being able to move it. I mean, even if it does get it working, it does not look like it will be a particularly fun game compared to the one that used to be on Windows XP. The reason I did it in 3D and not 2D is because 2D graphics on these AIs, when you get them to create a game, is so shockingly terrible that toddlers with crayons would look like Da Vinci next to it. Okay, here we can try again. Let's see if we can launch a ball. And no ball is being launched. So I guess that is a fail. Five errors in the code. If we fix those, a lot of errors in this. Okay, let's fix those errors here. Let's see if it is working now. And we do have a ball. There is a ball there. Yay. So significant improvement. Perhaps it will actually work this time. Let's give it a twirl. With the spacebar, we can hold down and it's just going to hit into there. So hopefully I'll be ready. Oh, and we've got over it. Let's see if we can. And yeah, wow. So we can actually pump it up here, it looks like. Now it's just kind of getting stuck on the side. I wonder if I tilt it. Will it? No. You know. Okay, so we have almost a game of pinball. Except for... Oh, And so it does just fall off the side end, and we get no new balls. So the fact that it isn't curved at the top is a significant limitation to this game, as it just goes up and down, up and down, up and down on the side, like it's on a pogo stick instead of ricocheting around this arena. But it did not do it in one prompt. It took a few errors that I had to fix. But you know, you spend a good couple of hours on this, you could probably get a pretty fun game out of it. So I don't know if that's a win or not, but it is something.